Hey guys, welcome back to Warnit AI, your go-to destination for all things artificial intelligence. The question of whether you should learn to code in 2024 and beyond has become a hot topic recently. With rapid advancement in AI like AlphaCode and language models like Gemini potentially automatic coding, some big names like Jensen Huang, the NVIDIA CEO, are claiming that learning to program may become obsolete. A brief intro about me. I'm Varun, the founder of Flourish.ai, an AI consulting and development agency. If your business needs help with AI, the link is in the description below. But before you decide to ditch your coding bootcamp plans, let's take a deeper dive into the argument on both sides. I will lay out the case for why you may want to avoid coding careers going forward, but then I will flip the script and make the counter argument for why coding skills could still be highly valuable. The first one is the anti-coding perspective. First off, let's look at why some are saying you shouldn't bother learning to code anymore. Gemini AlphaCode 3 was able to solve around 90% of coding problems when allowed to iterate, a remarkable improvement over AlphaCode 2, which could only beat 85% of human coders. With rapid advances like this, you have to wonder just how capable the next generation of code writing AIs will be. We are seeing startups like Devon able to massively boost GPT-4's coding performance simply by wrapping it in the right framework. Big players like Jensen Huang argue this signals a tipping point where we will be able to code just using natural languages with AI assistant, automating all the nitty-gritty programming work.
I'm going to say something and it's going to sound completely opposite of what people feel. Over the course of the last 10 years, 15 years, almost everybody who sits on a stage like this would tell you it is vital that your children learn computer science. Everybody should learn how to program. And in fact, it's almost exactly the opposite. It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer. This is the miracle of artificial intelligence. The countries, the people that understand how to solve a domain problem in digital biology or in education of young people or in manufacturing or in farming, those people who understand domain expertise now can utilize technology that is readily available to you. You now have a computer that will do what you tell it to do. It is vital that we upskill everyone. And the upskilling process, I believe, will be delightful, surprising.
Leading VCs are pouring hundreds of millions into generative AI startup working on coding automation. Furthermore, the job prospect of traditional software engineers appear rather bleak at the moment. Tech giants are conducting major layoffs. There's talk of the coding job market becoming oversaturated with people taking boot camps, reducing salaries. A viral tweet showed 12,000 people applying for a $20 per hour software engineering internship. All signs point to coding becoming a commodity skill set that could be increasingly automated in the near future by advanced AI systems. So the next half is the pro-coding perspective. However, we can't completely discount the value of learning to code just yet. While impressive, systems like AlphaCode 2 still have major limitations according to the researcher themselves. The trial and error approach is extremely costly and doesn't scale well yet. There have also been claims that some coding AI demos like Devon's were overblown or even fabricated in a certain aspect. The performance boost was still fairly modest at around 13% over GPT-4. Importantly, coding skills are becoming increasingly transferable and valuable for working in AI and machine learning fields. Many AI tools and frameworks are built on Python and other coding languages. Understanding coding allows you to effectively utilize, customize, and gain deeper insight into how these systems work under the hood. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics still project a 22 to 26% increase in the demand for skilled software engineers over the next decade as industry keep expanding. AI may increasingly augment coding work by automating mundane tasks, but likely won't completely replace the need for human programmers anytime soon. So what is the conclusion of all of this? So should you learn to code in 2024 and beyond? There are valid arguments on both sides. While AI automation of coding may seem inevitable long term, we will likely still years away from it being an immediate reality that makes coding skill obsolete. For now, it seems learning to code could still be a wise career move, especially if you plan to work in AI or have goals of deeply understanding the system. However, you would be wise to keep a close eye on the rapid AI coding advances and be ready to pivot if it starts looking like a dying career. My advice would be to get coding skills under your belt, as they will likely remain highly valuable for the foreseeable future, but keep an open mind and adaptability as the unprecedented AI revolution unfolds in the years ahead. The rules of the games are being rewritten daily. What's your take? Should you still take the coding bootcamp in 2024 or focus your efforts somewhere else? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much.